We're going to break down the must-see shows here in Universal Studios Florida, and we have animal actors. Different animals will essentially perform throughout the show, and they'll perform various acts. Celestina Warback, live performance here in Diagon Alley, and have some live music, kind of bringing everything to life. The Tales of Beetle the Bard, and guests can watch a performance of either the Fountain Fair Fortune or the Tale of the Three Brothers, which uses a stunning mix of live acting and puppetry. And we do have the Beat Builders. So this is located in the Hollywood area of the park, and the Beat Builders are musical construction workers that showcase their talents of urban percussion. Another show that you will not want to miss here in Universal Studios Florida is going to be the Blues Brothers show. So this is the perfect mix between comedy and live music, you know, a little rhythm. Marilyn Monroe and the Diamond Bellas right behind me. You can catch a performance from the Diamond Bellas, and this show can be easy to miss as they only perform a few songs, like Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend, for guests to enjoy. The Born Stuntacular. It's the perfect mix between live action, really cool technology. The horror makeup show, they'll show you like the backstories, and they'll show you essentially what goes into all of the old school movies and all of the, you know, the special effects of the old horror movies.